Hey, what's up guys? TechTitan here, and I just want to share with you guys my experience owning really my first ever drone. So this is a Holy Stone and the model number is just long, so I'll just leave a link in the description if you guys are interested in it. This is something that I just picked up just so I can see how I manage or how I feel about drones in general, if this can become a hobby or I can use it to elevate my videography and things of that nature. So this is basically kind of an entry level drone. It does cost $299. There are cheaper options, of course, so you do with that information as you wish. Now, my first impressions owning a first drone is this. These are fun, but they lack a couple of things. So the camera on here does record 4K. The quality on it is iffy. So okay, 4K sounds nice and all, but if the quality doesn't match the resolution, then really there's no point. That's just my humble opinion. Maybe that's just how these kind of budget drones operate. Of course, when you go to the $1,000, $800 price point, you better get good quality, correct? So basically, the assembly process and the setup process was pretty easy, pretty straightforward, so it wasn't that big of a deal. It does come with a fat manual, so it wasn't all that. And the to fly it out and just testing it out, it just felt natural, right? It wasn't really that difficult to operate, and I'm pretty sure that's how a lot of people would feel. Um, I do want to say this though. These things, especially this type of drone, seems to be fragile. So it's built out of plastic are made of plastic so they can help it and make it lighter. But they're easy to crash, especially if you're a beginner. And it just I guess okay. Listen, it's fun to use. It's really fun to use, but it's fragile. So be careful with it. And overall, I mean, my experience is this. I mean, it was fun to use, fun to operate, and definitely something that I might be interested in more in the future. So if you guys enjoyed this one, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.